I love a post that you made of your husband in the pool, and you zoomed in on him and you said what?
I tend to zoom in on him a lot. Like I go from his face and then I'll just get lost a little bit, you know?
And what'd you call him? You called
A thirst trap.
and a snack. She called him a snack.
Oh, yes. It was my thirst trap, but he's a snack. He's always a snack.
She's a snack. Does it mean she looks very attractive?
Yes, for example,
वो बहुत सुंदर है.
bro, she walked in and the whole class was shocked. She looked like a snack. Follow for more. Bye. See you soon. Love ya.